Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you guys with a hair review from hairsmarket.com. I brought 4 really cheap bundles. I brought them myself with my own coins, okay? But I brought 2 28s, a 26, and a 24, and it was only for $115. And I mean, it's on sale, but like their prices stay the same. It's not one of those little other YouTube channels where it'll be like, oh, 3 bundles for 60, and it'll be like 8 inches. Like, but anyways, yeah, I brought 4 bundles of their 8A Virgin Hair Improving Straight, and so let's get into the unboxing video. And do not come for me for my hair. I know. But anyways, so comes in this. I already opened it because I'm in Job Corps and you have to open it. But yeah, I swear I didn't open anything else or put any different hair in here. But yeah, so it comes in this. And they gave me these cute little eyelashes. Pretty thick strips. I'm not sure if I'd wear them. But so let's get to the hair. This comes in regular packaging. Oh, that's long. Longer than I thought. Let me put this in here. So this is a 28 bundle. Ooh. Hello. Right. What? Let me take this out. That's long. 28 inches long. I'm gonna take off the rubber band. So yeah, as you can see, the packaging isn't like anything spectacular. Now that is long. Look at that. Ooh. Can't even really get that in the shot. Like, hold on. So, bam. That's some really long hair. This is really soft. Wow, this is really soft hair. Oh, it looks like it might tangle. You can't really tell. Oh, you can actually tell. It's like frayed. But let's see if this thing sheds. Let's see. No hair yet. So there's no hair. So don't shed. And for 28, the wefts are not that bad. The bundle's kind of small. Let's compare them to the 24. This hair is extremely soft. It does have like a bad hair smell though, that they do have. Let's see the 24. The 26. Let's see, this is the 24. And the 28 does look true to length. It's very long. One thing that I will say about this is the tips. It is not full from root to tips. That is the tips. So yeah, not full from root to tips at all. They're not really straight. The ends are not that good. I'll probably end up cutting them off because I ain't got time for that. But yeah, there's the 28. Let's open up the 24. If I can open it. Oh, alright. So this is a 24. Wow, the hair is like, if you can see that, like, it's frayed at the top. Like, what is that about? Like, I don't understand. Like, I just barely got it. Like, I don't understand. But yeah, it's kind of thick. The ends on here are a little better. This one is actually a lot softer than the 28. That's weird. But yeah, let's compare. I mean, these are really long lengths, so of course the bundle wefts they're not gonna have a lot of, weft. But this is the 28 and this is the 24, which they actually kind of do look the same. And these are 100-gram bundles. 100 gram. The hair is actually pretty thick. Huh. Smells different. Oh, I probably do not want to mix those up. But yes. So, tangle free, I mean, and it's cheap. And like, if you don't like long lengths, then it's really cheap because $115 for 228s, a 26, and a 24, like, you're not going to find that anywhere else. And so far, these look like good quality, except for the smell and that they're kind of frayed. That's the only thing that's bad about them. But it's straight and it's nice. Looks like it'll get the job done. Let me get them all together. And we will see how thick it is all together. Because I'm going to have them all in my head, of course, together. This is the other 28. Long. And this is the 26. Oh my goodness, like, look at that. Oh, you know why it's probably like that? Because the way I took him out of the bundle, it should have like ripped open the top, took him out that way. Then I wouldn't be able to close it, so, yeah. No shedding. And the 26 is pretty thick and long. Again, not really full to the tips. Tips are kind of frayed, but it's hair. And this is it all together. Like, that's really thick. Like, it's like that thick. It's a lot of hair. And it's straight. And so, yeah. I think I like it. So yeah, it's 28 inches. Can't really tell on me, but yes. Shouldn't have worn black. So that's 28 inches. It's good hair. I'm gonna wash it and of course install it. And I'll get back to you guys. And I will tell you guys how it holds up. I'll tell you what happens when I wash it. And I'll tell you if it's soft. Alright, bye.